back to my channel. Stop scrolling. If you have images with watermark or logo and you have want to remove them for free, this video is for you. Today I am going to show you a powerful AI tool
Control.
that can remove watermarks directly in your browser. No software needed. First open this website. As you can see, this tool allows you to remove Gemini watermarks and nano banana logos easily. Now click on the select image. Or you can simply drag and drop your image. Make sure your image is in JPG, in PNG or web format. Now the AI will restart the processing your image. This tool works directly in your browser, which means your image state private. Check this. Let's see how well it removes the watermark. Wow, the look really clean. And the watermark is removed and the image will still looks natural. Now here's something important. You get a free quote of 3 image per day. So can test the tool before upgrading. If you want unlimited access, you can upgrade to VIP. It's one-time payment, lifetime access, but honestly, for normal use, the free version is enough. You also get a batch processing feature, but this is available only for VIP user. This allows you to remove watermarks from multiple images at once. You can also install this tool. Can also install this tool. Just click on ready to install button and you can use it directly from your system. One great thing about this tool, it's work in your browser, no need to upload to external server, fast and secure. Keep in mind result may vary depending on the image and watermarks complexity. Some images may need multiple tries, so this is how you can remove watermarks using for free AI. And comment below, do you want more AI tools like this? Thanks for watching.